Hey there everybody, it's Cherry Boo. I'm back with a quick DIY. Hopefully you can apply it to a lot of things in your home while we're all on quarantine. But I was looking for some decorations for my bathroom. Just, pictures of butterflies that I could put in my bathroom since it's blue and white and silver. And I couldn't find any. So I figured, well, what am I gonna do? I took a quick trip to Dollar Tree and an idea came to me. Dollar Tree had these stickers, just wall stickers. See that? Jumbo stickers, autocollant géant, and they're you peel them off. It's really simple, peelable, right? Okay, so let me show you what I did to make a quick DIY picture. So, at Dollar Tree they had these picture frames with glass. So really pretty, silver border, awesome. And what I quickly did was I just took off the back. You know how you flip the little edges up, took off the back. Then you're left with your inside photo frame, right? Your little cover picture. So what I did is I flipped it to the gray side, and I was able to take Dollar Tree's double-sided tape, which is just, excuse my nail, which is just $1 a roll. I put the double-sided tape on all four corners, and I took a plain sheet of copy paper and taped that down, right? Let's pretend I have my tape on there. And then I literally just took my butterflies, peeled them off one at a time, and applied it to the paper. After they're applied, and I put some on halfway to the edges. I put some on all the way. Let me show you. Then you're left with this, right? So some I just cut maybe a wing off. Others look like they're flying into the frame. The others I just placed on. And what I plan on doing with some silver is just making splotches of silver. But this is just for, I might not, because there's enough silver in the frame. Just liven up the background. Excuse my allergies. And then after that, literally, you're just putting everything back in the frame. So you flip that over, you still have your little baby toes there. You put your back on, you pull the edges back over, right? And then you're left with this. And I thought that was so pretty. So altogether, it literally, if you want to include the tape, which will last for quite a few things, it literally only cost $3 and only had to use 4 pieces of tape. Now what I was going to do for another one for my kitchen was to take the same type of things, and these are the little 2D stickers. I don't know if they consider them 2D or 3D. I think they're considered 2D. Peel these off, the same thing. Peel them off, stick them to the paper, and then have a cute little picture for my kitchen. And I might even do a background of sticker flowers, but I'll see about that. So that's a quick DIY, and each one only costs $2 if you have the tape. And like I said, nice frames with the glass. Let me know what you think about it. Please like, subscribe, and give me that, I'm gonna show you the good nail, give me that thumbs up. Okay, have a great day. Let me know of any other ideas you come up with. I'll show you some more, probably this week, because I have a lot of stuff to do. Take care. Bye bye, my little cherries.